Good morning. My name is Jesus Antonio Rey. I am from Bucaramanga, Santander. I am 35 years old. I was born September 1st, 1983. I am studying business administration. I live with my wife and my two children. I like dancing and swimming in my free time. The following four correspond to the municipality of Girón. Nash Monument of Colombia. The image shows the central of Girón, where on the left we have the Manor Basilica and on the right the Central Park. It has a Spanish Colombia architecture with cables, street hyacinth with white wall, large brown or black dove, air clean with clay tile. The municipality is absolutely beautiful and full of friendly people. Thank you for your attention and I invite you to visit wonderful history places. Thank you.